Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, convertible soft top, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.